Today I'm going to show you how to change your current work position on LinkedIn. So if you look at my profile, it has this badge over here. It says data annotation, and this is a current position. And what you want to do is, if you want to change this, click on the little pencil icon. If you come scroll down over here, it says current position, and you've got this over here, data annotator, add data annotation. But here you will see a list of all of your jobs that are current with the current status, which means you're currently doing that. Now you can go ahead and choose from here. You can change the industry, you can add education, location, contact information, and website if you'd like to. And then once you are done, you can go ahead and you can click on save, and this will change over here at the top. Okay, now let's say that you have a new job and it's not yet in your job list. You're going to come down here under experience. You're going to click on the plus icon, create that experience, and then you can change it to that experience over here.